Hey guys, it's the last video in this section, so let's check this. It's 9th of March, and let me tell you how I was trading this day. So let's see what the first order was. If you can imagine, I already forget my trading on 9th of March. It was 2 days ago, but I forget it. Okay, yeah, I advise you to relax after a whole week of trading and forget about your orders, because if you keep this in your mind, you will become crazy, I think, or your brains will be like cast iron or rectangle brains. Yeah, forget about your trading and start your trading from Monday with fresh brains. Okay, here you see a sell order 0.5. Where is it? Strong impulse down in the morning. Let's see that in the morning. Strong impulse down. 9th of March. Oh yeah, I see that impulse. Impulse down. Here it is. Here was my sell. Why I sold here 0.5. I will explain you. For our chart, what's this? For our chart and check the situation, we still see that the market stuck in this corridor and they're trading. So here we see a little downtrend on 1 hour chart. 1 hour. On 4 hour chart there is you don't know where the market is going to go. So if you sell here, you wait for sell. If you buy here, you wait for buy. So in this corridor, it's better to stay out or buy from this low, close, sell from this top, close, if you like trading in corridors. Okay, move to 1 hour chart and we see here these as you remember this trend, it's like a pressing trend. They press down, yeah, they don't have any impulses, they are going slowly, but they hit with strong impulses. With you see, strong impulse down, then stuck, then impulse down, stuck, impulse down, and they go up, impulse down. So there is a big chance that they go down on M15. Still market is looking down and go down. You see, it's pressing down and they hit every buy order. If you see here double low, you buy and they hit you, and then it's very how to say, dangerous market for reversing trend. You can't reverse trend, market will reverse trend, right? So you have to follow it. If you see double low, you understand that this is a downtrend. You can buy, but it's better to wait a little bit and then close order if you don't see any profit. Okay, let's move forward. Here I sold. Nothing special here. We see here downtrend. We still okay. Let's move this one. No, let's leave it. We see here a small downtrend, then a roll back, then a little bit double low, or sorry, double top here, and strong impulse down. So I sold here and I expected that market will go down because it's very strong impulse and they hit this low, and there is no levels on 1 hour chart at this point, so I was waiting downtrend. Let's see what was next. Okay, here I sold. The market go for rollback from this low on M5. Yeah, and here I understand that the market go up. Actually, this impulse was very strong. I didn't even notice that it would be very strong. If it goes slowly, I would close right here and do something, but it is about 7 pips, nothing. It's better to close here. 10. For example, you put 14 pips risk, right? But you expect getting much more. So I was waiting. But this impulse was very strong up. Here I understand, you see? Impulse up, impulse up. So that's it. My sell order is dead. And I reverse. I close my orders and reverse. Here I understand that this is a strong impulse up and I'm adding one more order. So let's see what is going next. Yeah, you see here they a little bit stuck, and I was thinking, what are they going to do? As you see here, spike candle, spike candle, spike candle, and they could go slowly down. I was afraid of that. And here was a huge impulse up, and again impulse up and impulse down, and I still was waiting because up, then up, then up, and they didn't go here and gave us double low, so market will go other direction. I was waiting and waiting. I didn't like this one. Didn't like. Yeah, I was closing. You see here I have a loss here and here about, let me see, about 15 pips, and here I closed about 15 pips as well. About like that, yeah. I didn't pay attention on this. Minus 1 or 2 pips in common or plus 2 pips. Didn't care about that. Okay, there was I modifying my orders. I was closing. Yeah. Looks like, yeah, I closed a little bit more to cover my losses and get a little bit profit. So in general I left 0.3 and put sell stop order on this order, and you see here there was a news time. Where is that news time? Yeah, 15:45. Actually, I don't pay attention on the news. I don't know what was there. It was R was written press conference minimal bid rate. Yeah, minimum bid rate was there, and that's why I closed a part of orders to be in profit in common and put a stop profit on my rest of order here. Yeah, you see, actually I don't remember even were there news or not, because I don't follow these news. I just know the time, and I need to protect every order I have in the market. Okay, here you see they hit my order right here, and I understand that they hit it falsely, spike candle, and they didn't go down. So I decide to open an order again, because I understand that they are not going down. If they didn't go down right here, they will not go down. So let's check the situation. Oh god, again news. I don't like this news, but it's 0.3, it's not so big volume, so I was waiting for this news, and you see the again problems with my terminal. Usually they like to do this when the news are coming. Or maybe, no, I think it's not a problem with the terminal, it's a problem with my computer, because then I was accelerated my chart, and this acceleration just stopped the movement of these candles. But anyway, if you see the market or you follow this situation in the market, you remember what was there. Yeah, here you see a huge impulse up, and then I close a little part of order, a small part of order, 0.10, to get profit. Why exactly here? If you see, the market is moving, okay, moving, and here a strong impulse, continue impulse, a bit lower, little spike and little spike here, and they stuck here. That's why I close a little bit order, and I think there was a level. Let me see that. What was the price? It's 0612. 0612, it's right here. And there was a level. I think there was a level. Let me see that. Yeah, it was a level, this one. You see, this is a level that they didn't hit on the 6th of March. This section is a level, and if you remember, I told you that they just slowed down in this point. That's why I closed part of order. And let's check what is going next. I put stop profit on my order, and you see how the situation changed. This trend, the new trend, and they gave a quite deep rollback. They could hit my order, yeah, but they didn't. But sometimes they just leave you 1 pip and don't hit your order. Here is about 3 or 5 pips, and they just started going up. But at the end I closed my orders with profit, and I didn't want to wait. Yeah, here it is. I close it because it's evening, and I didn't want to wait and leave these orders for the next day because it's intraday trading. You don't know what the Asian session will do, and in general you see here Asian session gave double low here on M15. On M5 it's better to see. No, M15. Yeah, impulse, rollback. Yeah, impulse up, rollback. Then if you check M5, there is a trend, then rollback from this trend, impulse down. So every time frame has their own trend and rollback. In general, this is a trend on M15 and rollback on M15. But this is a trend on M5, a little trend, and rollback from this trend. And in Asia they gave double low, 1 low, 2nd low, 3rd low, and slowly go up. So that's it, guys. Just have a successful trading and good luck.